5:21 local time, Tuesday morning, July the 2nd. Current outside temperature is, wow, what is it? 14 degrees Charlie, 15. Hey, look what's there? There's the ducks. Oh, they're having the babies. Can you see the babies? Yep. The beautiful little babies. Yeah. So, and there's still plenty of water. Yep, we had a lot of rain. And I had a beautiful night down at the Yacht Harbor. No rain tonight, it was staying dry. So. Okay. Look how high the water is. There's still a lot of water. This deck is usually way lower. Yup. Okay, everyone. I'll let you know about my plans. I want to get home and oh yeah, a hot cup of coffee. That would be it. And maybe grabbing a bite to eat. A couple slices of salami out of the refrigerator and a piece of cheese. That would do the trick for me before I go to bed and peacefully falling asleep. DK5 ONV on the way back home. With some early morning impressions. 7-3 everyone.